In Daytona Beach, fun and free family entertainment is around every corner. Head to Angell and Phelps Chocolate Factory for a free 30-minute tour, and you'll get a taste of how chocolate is made the old-fashioned way. Experience the luxurious life of John D. Rockefeller at the Casements with a tour of his Ormond Beach winter home. Looking for a way to rock your vacation? Get your fill of free live music at a Friends of the Bandshell concert series show. Learn about the area's historical significance by touring the former home of civil rights leader Mary McLeod Bethune. For a little fresh air and nature-filled fun, head to North Peninsula State Recreation Area or Ormond Bicentennial Park. Here, even your four-legged friends will have a blast. Experience serenity and the local art scene at Ormond Memorial Art Museum and Gardens. And visit the Southeast Museum of Photography, Florida's only museum exclusively featuring photo exhibits. Step back in history at Sugar Mill Botanical Gardens, where interesting ruins and other discoveries await. On a warm day, bring the kids to cool off at Sunsplash Park, located on the beachfront. There's no end to the fun, free things to do in Daytona Beach. Start planning your trip today.